Hi, I'm Magical. And so I I just wanted to say that I really do not like the quality of my videos. I know that I have terrible sound quality and terrible lighting. I was going to spend about $1,000 on a nice camera and lighting and a microphone. I was going to get everything. But then my car broke down, and so I had to spend $1,000 on my car. And then I quit my job. So I I absolutely know that I need to, that's still no excuse. I know that that's not an excuse. I'm not trying to make excuses. I know that I need to get money to get a camera and lighting and stuff so that my sound quality won't be so terrible. um, but until then, I'm just working with what I have. So I hope you guys understand. I just wanted to say that. Um, I asked the tarot cards what most people think about my YouTube videos, and I got the Three of Wands reversed. And that card basically didn't really tell me what anyone really thinks about my YouTube videos. It just told me what I think about my YouTube videos. And basically, I just think that, that card basically just means that you're frustrated with the fact that there have been delays in your plans, usually your business plans or your career plans. And that's exactly how I feel. I'm frustrated that my car broke down at literally the worst time ever when I was about to get my camera. And now I don't have my camera because I had to fix my car. And at least I have a car, so I should be grateful that I have my car working. But, I just, also, the card talks about, the Three of Wands talks about all kinds of delays. So I just feel like I have a lot of delays in my progress with my YouTube channel going on right now. Like, obviously I think the camera plays a big role in, the quality of my videos. So because of me not having the camera, the quality of my videos isn't good. And then, also, when I was first starting my channel, I basically just started making videos. Like, I didn't really know what I was doing. I guess if I could go back in time, what I would have done is I would have started my channel sooner, back when I first got the idea to start a YouTube channel. And I would have built up some subscribers first, or built up a more of a following on Twitter first, and then I would have posted my first video, because then I think I would have gotten more views. Also, I don't know. I just wasn't very... I just didn't know what I wanted to do with my channel at the time, and I didn't know what I was doing at all. I literally just got up and I was like, I think I'll film a video today and just start my channel today. And I mean, I guess that was a kind of a good thing, because it's better that I just went ahead and did it, you know? I think a lot of people get too caught up in having the best technology ever, you know? But, I mean, you can just film on your phone. It's all good. Anyway, I'm a lot happier about my channel, and I'm a lot happier in general than I have been in the past few months, because I've been doing a lot of listening to Reiki videos, and you know, I've been listening to a lot of really great music, and I've been listening to a lot of different things on YouTube. So, you know, it's all good. I think I'm just going to just keep being myself. And I'm going to try to find more interesting topics to talk about. I really like making commentary videos, but you know, there's a lot of topics that I don't really want to talk about. All these drama channels, they're always talking about the same thing over and over and over again. And I don't always want to talk about everything that they're talking about. You know, I want to be a little more unique. So I try to talk about things that I think are actually important. You know, not just Jaclyn Hill's new launch. But everyone's talking about Jaclyn Hill, and I don't want to talk about Jaclyn Hill. You know, I don't want to talk about everything everyone else is talking about all the time. So, yeah, like, what do you guys want me to talk about? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. So, thanks for watching, and I love you guys. Bye! Peace. That was so cringe. I don't know why I did that. Bye!